What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be cleaning this thing out. Shamefully admitting I've been living out this thing for about 2 weeks. Like, not actually living out of it, like I'm not sleeping in it, do you know what I mean? But I've been that busy that I just haven't had time to clear it out. I've visited that many fast food McDonald's, there's that much McDonald's in there, clothes, I haven't had time to put them in, just flew in the back, bottles, receipts, it's in this car, honestly. So today we're going to give it a hoover out. I'm going to lay all the things out the front of here. Let's count how many things they have. Just a little bit of fun, but you know, before I do start this, guys, I want you to go down to Slam Social at Facebook and give them a visit. Give them a like, it's my sponsor. They've got Slamfest show. They're a good group of guys, so just go down there, give them a visit, show some love, hit that like button, and let's get into cleaning this thing out. Right, guys, before I do start clearing this space out to get it hoovered and what have you, like I said earlier, I'm going to lay all the things out in front of the car and show you what's actually in this car. But I've decided I'm going to put it in as general waste, McDonald's, drink bottles, clothes, and I think that might cover it. If there's anything else, I'll add it on and I'll have the little names above all the little queues of rubbish. Do you know what? This is a little bit embarrassing. Let's just get this out anyway, let's just get this place cleared. Right, guys, let's go through this. Let's start with the bottles, right? So the bottles, we've got 1, 2, that's one hidden behind there, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14 bottles. I was surprised with the McDonald's, to be honest with you. The McDonald's surprised me. I've only got like 1, 2, say like 5 items. I mean, there's a couple of items in there. And, well, there's a chip there if anyone wants one. Trainers, clothes even, let's say. 1 pair of trainers, 2 pair of trainers, 3 pair, 4 pair, 5 pairs, so 5 pairs of trainers, underwear, joggers, jackets, bags. I mean, look at that line. Honestly, man, I could have made like, I could have had like a car boot sale of clothes. Oh, wind's gonna get you there. And now, general waste. General waste. I mean, you know what? A fire, obviously, in any case in the car would have been bad, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6 aerosols and a bottle of aftershave. Ready just to go up. Boom! But yeah, that's the state of the motor. I told you I was embarrassed, guys. I told you I shamefully admitted that it's disgusting. But right, anyway, guys, I'll show you a couple of shots now with the floor, of the dash, and what have you. Then I'm going to get into cleaning, show you before and after of that. It's going to take a bit more time than what I thought originally, I think. I knew it was messy, but I didn't know it was this messy. I mean, everything's kind of melts underneath each other, you just don't see it, do you? Let's get on with it. You know what, just before I do start cleaning this up, let's see what Mother thinks. Look, man. Look at my line of stuff. Look at the magnificent line of stuff. Huh? Look at the magnificent line.
You needed to put that in a bag before it all blows away down the alley.
Yeah, well, I was showing my fans.
Your fans?
My fans? My fans right on the other end of there.
Which it better not be on now, or else go flipping ballistic, I'm telling you now. Really shouldn't be, it better be on because I'll kick it over. Right. But I hope you're really proud of yourself. I hope that's what fans want to say, how disgusting you are. And it better not be on because I swear down I'll smash it.
Mother will get me to 1,000 subscribers.
Yeah, my God.
Well, there we are, guys. My car is clean again. Floor hoovered, leather wiped down, a bit of a freshen up there. Dash wiped down again. Nice place to be and to drive around in. Look, guys, don't forget, go check out Slam Social at Facebook. Like this video, comment below anything you want to say about that amount of rubbish in my car. Are you the same? Would you ever let your car get in that state no matter what? Let me know in the comments below, guys. Subscribe if you haven't already. And until the next video, as always, peace out and take care.